Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about. So basically there is a problem that occurs many times that there remains an unsaved file and your AutoCAD just crashes. So in that case, how are you going to recover the file is the main issue. So today I'm going to teach you how are we going to recover the unsaved file. So all you have to do is, it is very simple. You just have to type drawing, and in the first option, drawing recovery, you just have to press enter, and there will be a dialog box opened in your print where it will show the files that have been unsaved by you, and you have closed AutoCAD, but AutoCAD has actually made out backup copies for that. So you can just basically press on this plus buttons, and you can just access it from right over here. So basically the first dwg file is the latest that is saved, and the BEK is the backup file that AutoCAD automatically stores by itself in its default software settings. So this is how you can recover your unsaved files from AutoCAD. If you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it.